If you guys didn't know, there is a bunch of hacks that allegedly are currently working right now for Cash App to be getting a ton of money for completely free. But who knows if these hacks are legit? So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and be testing every single one of these strats on a fresh Cash App account to see if they'll actually work for you. So make sure you guys stick till the end of the video because the ending will actually shock you. So the first money-making method for Cash App that I recommend you guys to try is actually to sign up to Cash App with a referral code. If you guys didn't know this, you can create an entirely new fresh Cash App account, or if you don't have a Cash App account, you could create one using this exclusive method and get paid a completely free $10. As you can see, all of these people have gotten a completely free $10, and I have also gotten the free $10 just for signing up to Cash App with a referral link. All you guys need to do to sign up for a referral link is either sign up to Cash App with a link, where you guys go ahead and click on the link and then complete the Cash App sign up process. And then after that, you have to go ahead and link a bank account and send $5 to a friend on Cash App. I'm going to go ahead and include my cash tag in the description down below. And if you guys want to go ahead and send me $5, I'll go ahead and refund you, so we can both get the $10 referral bonus from using Cash App. This is a method that I know for a fact is working. As you guys can see right here, I have over 500 people invited, and I have over $250 in my Cash App balance, meaning that if you guys get on this right now, you could make a literal free $10 right now. So make sure you guys do that. But if you already have a Cash App account, or if you don't want to sign up to Cash App with the link, and you have made your Cash App account within the last 2 weeks, what you can do is you can go to the top right here, click on your profile, and scroll the way down to where it says enter referral code. I'm going to include my referral code in the description down below, guys. All you're going to need to do is just enter in that exact referral code. And then once you guys enter that and send the $5 to a friend on Cash App, you will then get a free $10 bonus added to your account. Plus, you'll be supporting me so I can go ahead and create more videos just like this. So it's a win-win for the both of us. Plus, if you guys didn't know this, there's a lot of exclusive offers if you guys go ahead and buy stuff with Cash App. So if we go to this tab right here, where we go to the Discover bar right here, we can actually select any of these recommended offers, and we could go ahead and shop with any of these with our Cash App account and get a lot of really great deals. For example, $10 off of one Chipotle order, also $10 off each in-app order with GNC. On top of that, a $5 off bonus for Starbucks, as well as a bunch more offers. So I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and check out any of these offers. All you need to do to go ahead and check them out is just click that shop button. But if you guys go ahead and search up something like Discord, as you guys can see, you can get 95% off of one Discord order, which is how I got Nitro for completely free, also using the Cash App invite bonus. If you guys want to learn how I got Discord Nitro for completely free, I would highly recommend going ahead and checking out the video on my channel, because that is definitely an untapped method that people need to be on. Now, the next method I would recommend you guys go ahead and try is something that I have had success with before, which I will show you my exact success method a little bit later, so make sure you guys keep watching. But it's actually to go ahead and follow Cash App on Twitter. So I went ahead and created an entirely new Twitter page just to show you guys exactly what this looks like. But if we go ahead and scroll down right here, but as you guys can see right here, for example, Cash App is always having some kind of giveaway on their Twitter. As you guys can see right here, they're giving away over $20,000 in prizes. What you guys got to do is go ahead and go to their Twitch page, where you guys could win up to $20,000 in prizes. Essentially, all you guys got to do is that you got to go on that Twitch page and then make sure to reply with whatever the trivia game is at the time. So I went ahead and done this with a different account, and provided that I had post notifications on when I was one of the first people to see it, so that I was one of the first people to actually go ahead and see it. That meant that Cash App then sent me a free $50, which I then extracted into my bank account, and I went ahead and bought some food with it. That is a method you guys can absolutely use, but it is quite a bit more inconsistent than the referral method, so that's why I put it near the end of the video. But if you guys are interested in potentially getting some free money, I would recommend going ahead and following Cash App on Twitter and turning on post notifications, because that's what I did to get the free $50. And if you're lucky and you're at the right place at the right time, you might be able to get the $50 just like I did. Now, with that all being said, guys, we have in fact at the end of this video, so if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as going ahead and clicking on this video that you can see right now.